Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of trading, today's video is a game changer. We're breaking down how to trade futures on Moomoo in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, Moomoo's user-friendly platform makes it easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a futures contract? It's basically an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a future date for a set price. Think stocks, commodities, or even crypto. Futures let you speculate on price movements without owning the actual asset. In 2025, Moomoo has upgraded its app with advanced tools like real-time data and AI-driven insights, making it perfect for futures trading. To get started, download the Moomoo app and create an account. It's straightforward. Verify your identity, link your bank, and fund your account. Once you're set up, head to the futures section. You'll see a dashboard with market trends, charts, and indicators to analyze potential trades. Now, for the fun part, placing a trade. Select the futures market you're interested in, like S&P 500 or oil futures. Set your order type, market, limit, or stop loss to manage risk. Remember, always use tools like stop loss orders to protect your capital. Moomoo's 2025 features include customizable alerts and simulated trading, so you can practice without real money. But hold on, trading futures isn't all upside. It's high risk. Prices can swing wildly, and you could lose more than you invest. That's why education is key. Use Moomoo's educational resources, like webinars and tutorials, to build your knowledge. In summary, trading futures on Moomoo in 2025 is accessible and powerful. Start small, stay informed, and watch your portfolio grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.